Hello all, welcome to Law with Subhadra Malsami. Now let's dwell into the gold standards for artificial intelligence, ISO 42001. So AI is no longer the future, it is now. From automating operations to shaping boardroom strategy, artificial intelligence is transforming every facet of modern business. But with power comes responsibility. Now, ISO 42001 2024 is a game changer in responsible AI governance. Why your organization needs to pay attention now on this. As an AI governance professional, I've seen firsthand the incredible impact of AI and the equally real risks. Bias in algorithms, lack of transparency, data misuse, ethical blind spots. These are not just theoretical, they are all happening today. Until now, organizations had to rely on voluntarily ethical guidelines and fragmented policies. But all of that changed with the release of ISO 42001 2024, the world's first certifiable international standard for artificial intelligence management systems. ISO 42001, published by the International Organization for Standardization, is designed specifically to help organizations govern their AI systems responsibly, reduce the risk, and build stakeholder trust, whether you're building an AI or simply using it. ISO 42001 works like other ISO standards which you already know. ISO 9001 for quality, ISO 27001 for information security. But 42001 is tailored to unique challenges of AI. It guides companies through establishing what's called an AI management system or AIMS, covering everything from risk assessment and ethical use policies to transparency protocols and human oversight. Now, the core objectives of ISO 42001 are number one, embedded AI into governance and strategy, drive transparency and explainability, tackle the bias, ethics, and fairness, ensure accountability and oversight, and promote continual improvement. What makes ISO 42000 truly unique is this: it doesn't just regulate what AI does, it focuses on how your organization governs AI. Its technology is agnostic whether you're using machine learning, NLP, computer vision, or automation. It's scalable, applicable to startups and Fortune 500s, and it integrates seamlessly with your existing ISO standards. Now, the key elements which you will need to implement are AI policy and ethical declarations, defined roles and responsibilities, algorithmic risk assessment tools, data governance and privacy protocols, human rights impact assessments, and oversight and audit mechanisms. So, it's a full stack governance framework designed for the real world. ISO 42001 aligns with the global regulations from the EU AI Act to the NIST AI Risk Management Framework and India's National Strategy for AI. For multinational companies, it provides a common governance language across borders. So, why should your organization care? Because ISO 42000 is more than a compliance checkbox, it is a strategic differentiator. To conclude, the business cases for ISO 42001 build trust with the clients, regulators, and investors, minimize operational and legal risk, and also drive responsible innovation and demonstrate global leadership, plus stay ahead of the regulation. So, in a world where AI is shaping economies, ethics, and enterprise values, governance is not optional, it is foundational. I hope this video has been informative. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye. See you.